Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Technology YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to share you the 3 blogger templates where you can use for your blog SEO friendly and you can earn more from this template. So in this video I'm going to show you the full details about these templates, and also watch this video until the end, and if you have any doubts related to the templates, just you can comment down below. And if you have not yet watched our previous videos blogging for the beginners, just you can go to the blogging for the beginners section, as you can see here. So you can get the AdSense approval 100%. So if you not yet watched our video, you can just go through that. And also there is an giveaway is going on in our channel YouTube premium membership for the 6 months, so coupon code. So if you want to participate in that, so you can just go through that. So I will give the link in the description, just go through that and you can comment on get code to get the chance to win the YouTube premium membership. So now let's get into the topic. So first theme is friends. So as you can see here, SEO hub. So as you can see here we can place an ad, and also here we can place an responsive ad here. So with this template friends, you can earn more. So as you can see here how it looks. So as you can see here social media, so you can see that the floating, how it is the animation. So you can add it here, the videos, and also as you can see the pages option, the social media options which are available here. So I will give all the links in the description, so you can just go through that. So as you can see here, drop down menu, you can add to your blog. So as you can see here, and also here friends, you can, if you want, you can display the ads also by the side. So as you can see here, you can replace it, so popular ads, comments, and you can see in one page you can get all the things friends. So as you can see here, you can see the messages, and whenever you add the pics, so it will be displayed here and the content will be displayed here. So this is a best SEO friendly template, and you can just go through that. So all the social media apps and the ads are the displayed here, so you can get the more revenue from this app. So if you want to download, you can just, I will give the link in the description, just go through that and download the template. So now let's get into the next template. So as you can see here, this is the second template. So it is the best for the blog friends. So as you can see here, we can display the ad over here, and also search button is available, drop down menus are available, and as you can see here, the pics and the articles are available, and you can divide the categories also. And if you want to add the ad also, you can add it here, and also social media here are available, and in the left side also you can add the ads friends. So as you can see here how it looks, the categories labels you can design here over here. So as you can see here, and also the footer is available here, the about us, contact us, you can create you can do any customization friends. So as you can see here, how nice this template is. So if you want to use for the blogging purpose, the best template is this. You can try this friends once you download, and you can change the theme. So if you don't know how to change the theme, so I done a video related to that also. So just go through our playlist and watch the videos friends, so you will get an AdSense approval. So once you get an AdSense approval, just you need to add the ad code here. So and also the third template is, so as you can see here, news X paper. So as you can see here how nice it is. So as you can see here, if you want, you can buy this template also. This is and also it is available for free also. So as you can see here how it is, the pop-up is all and all. So here the social media and the category, and you can display the ads. You can also here you can display the ads by adding the HTML code, and also how it is scrolling. So as you can see here, and the footer is also good, and you can also here you can change the logo also if you want. If you have a blogger logo, you can add it, and also the contact us, about us, for everything you can change the logos here friends. So as you can see here, you can keep the logo, and you can keep your name, blogger name. So this all the 3 links, I will give the link in the description friends. If you want, you can just go through that, and also don't forget to comment your opinion about this friends. Don't forget to comment this, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.